Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your go-to source for the latest electric vehicle news and reviews. I'm host Name, and we're back with another exciting update on the rapidly evolving EV market. VinFast, a Vietnamese automaker, is making waves in the Canadian automotive scene with its participation in the Montreal Electric Vehicle Show 2025. For the second year in a row, VinFast will be showcasing its impressive lineup of electric vehicles at the event, which takes place from May 2nd to 4th, 2025. The VF8 and VF9, two flagship models that have been generating significant buzz among EV enthusiasts, will be on display for attendees to test drive. The VF8 boasts a wheelbase of 2,950, with an overall length, width, and height of 4,750 x 1,934 x 1,667. This model features dual electric motors delivering up to 402 horsepower and 620 Nm of torque, making it perfect for various driving conditions. But that's not all. The VF9 is a full-size, all-electric luxury SUV offering an impressive range of over 531 km. With its generous dimensions and ample interior space, this vehicle is ideal for families or those who need flexibility with captain seat options. The available wheelbase provides a comfortable ride, making it perfect for long road trips. VinFast's commitment to sustainability and innovation is evident in its expanding presence globally. Beyond North America, the company has established a strong foothold in Indonesia, the Philippines, India, and the Middle East, backed by excellent after-sales policies and an expanding dealer network. But what's behind VinFast's success? The answer lies in its state-of-the-art manufacturing complex in Hai Phong, Vietnam, which boasts up to 90% automation. This cutting-edge technology allows VinFast to produce high-quality vehicles at scale while minimizing its carbon footprint. As we move forward in this rapidly changing world, it's clear that sustainable mobility is the way forward. At ElectroDrive News, we'll continue to bring you the latest news, reviews, and insights on the EV market, so stay tuned for more exciting updates from VinFast and beyond.